ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. आई होप ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ और स्वागत है आप सभी का एक नई वीडियो में. ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಲೋವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. Okay, especially people who are working at these big IT firms, people working at the call centers, even your cab drivers and your auto drivers. These are the ones suffering with lower back pain. The reason to this is very simple. You guys have to sit in one particular place and work for hours, about 8 to 10 hours every single day. You have to sit and work. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ your lower back is taking too much pressure. Okay, even now there are a lot of people working from home, and because of our bad posture, again your lower back takes too much load. Okay, bad posture, every time you round your shoulders and do any work, you are going to put too much pressure on your lower back. That is why if you've attended my classes, I keep shouting chest up, back straight, chest up, back straight, chest up. I can't be around you 24/7 to keep saying that, right? So that is why in today's video we are going to discuss top 5 lower back mobility movements and also the types of lower back pain that people are suffering with. Okay, watch the video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so basically there are two types of lower back pains that people suffer with. Okay, the first one is called your acute lower back pain. 85 to 90% of the people suffer with this. Okay, for example, you slept the wrong way, or you've gone to the gym and you've tried to lift little heavier weights, and now there is too much soreness around your lower back. Nothing to worry. Just watch these mobility movements and do these mobility movements 30 to 40 seconds for 3 to 4 rounds a day. Okay, which will only take up to 5 to 7 minutes. अगर लोअर बैक पेन से छुटकारा पाना है तो उतना तो करना. Okay, so the second type of pain that people suffer with is called your chronic lower back pain. Okay, for example, it's been 5 to 6 months, but you are continuously feeling that lower back issue. You continuously feel soreness, pain around your lower back. My advice to you is go consult a doctor, go see a physio. You can perform these movements. Again, like I said, these movements are simple to perform, so you can perform, but they will help you understand the pain much better. So my advice is go consult a physio, go consult a doctor. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಈಸಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್, palms right under your shoulder, your knees in line with your hip. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ hyper extend your back. ಇಲ್ಲಿ take a big breath, arch your back, exhale out. Again, look up and down. Simple movement. Try and think about moving your spine. Do it as slow as possible. Focus on your breathing. All you got to do it for 30 to 40 seconds for 3 to 4 rounds. Ask madre saak ನೀವು.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಬೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೀ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಟಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ 30 to 40 seconds ಈಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 to 4 ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಸ್ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಗ್ಲೂಟ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್. ಯು ಗೋನಾ ಲೈ ಡೌನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Second, just make sure your legs are little close. Do not end up keeping your legs too far away. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ again lower back ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ pressure ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. So bring your legs little close. Keep your hands down. Push your hip all the way up. Hold for a second. Down. Again up and down. So at the top, you got to squeeze your lower back and you got to squeeze your glutes. Hold for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Down, up and down. Simple movement. You need to do this for 30 to 40 seconds and for 4 rounds. Okay, so your fourth movement yaad ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. Before you guys start commenting that this works more on your hamstrings than your lower back, trust me, I know that. But if you want to perform deadlifts, say 100 kilo, 120 kilos, then this is the basics. I want you guys to include this also in your lower back mobility. Okay, how to perform? You are going to start with your feet hip width. Do not go to shoulder width. Try and keep your legs little close, hip width. Bend your knees soft. Push your hip back. You can keep your hands behind your head. Push your hip back. Lean forward. Hold for a second. Come up. Again, go down and up. Simple movement. Make sure you push your hip back and come up. You can do this movement for say 30 to 40 seconds for 4 rounds. Okay, so last movement, fifth movement, and probably one of the most important movements for your lower back mobility yadandre Superman up and down anta. Simple movement, you just got to lie down flat on the floor, try and keep your hands little ahead, your hands and legs up in the air, hold for a second, down, again up, squeeze your lower back, hold for a second, down, again up and down. Trust me, this is one of the most important movements that you can do for your lower back. Again, you got to do it for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so these are the 5 movements that you need to do. Again, like I said, just for 30 to 40 seconds, it will only take 5 to 7 minutes of your time. Okay, trust me, if you keep doing these movements, even if you do these movements for 10 to 15 days continuously, you are going to feel a lot better. Okay, do not give excuses. These movements, like I showed you, you can do it at home. You don't need to go to the gym, you don't need any equipment, just do it at home. Okay, and do it continuously. I am 100% sure that you will see the इसी के साथ आज के वीडियो को एंड करते हैं. Please share this video with your friend complaining about lower back pain and ask them to do these movements continuously. Show it to your parents, show it to your grandparents. Even they can perform these movements. These movements, like I said at the start, are very simple to perform. And अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है, then please like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. About 46% of the people watching the videos haven't subscribed. Okay, so please subscribe. Just click that red color button that you see down. Look, I need your support, to be very honest. I need your support. Let's get to 200 and let's see how it goes from there. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay fit, stay healthy, take care. Bye.